Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi 10 smartphone. Guys, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, tap on power off. So you can see now it is successfully power off. Okay, now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it, and now release. And guys, you can see it will send you in MIUI recovery mode. So you can see now the volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, now here go to wipe data and confirm, and here select wipe all data and confirm. So you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Okay, now go to confirm and confirm it. So you can see, okay, so you can see data wiped successfully. Okay, now back to main menu and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi 10 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.